Hello everyone. This time I have brought an amazing AutoCAD LISP tutorial which will be very much useful for those who are working in the pipeline works. By using this Lisp we can just go on clicking at every IP points of our pipeline alignment. Or we can just go on clicking for new alignment directly itself. New pipeline will be formed with the provided diameter and internal minimum radius at every corner of our alignment. We may also use this Lisp for quickly showing road on our drawings. Before we begin, if you don't know, my name is Bishnu, and I create practical AutoCAD tutorials to help you level up your drafting skills one step at a time. There are more useful tutorials on my channel and still more videos are on the way, so make sure don't miss any. Let's dive in and make AutoCAD a little easier for you to master. For this, you need to have a Lisp file first. Here we can see a Lisp file. I have named this file as CAD Magics, which is my YouTube channel name, and in bracket we can see plines, which stands for pipelines. This Lisp will activate the plines command in AutoCAD, which will help in generating pipelines at the provided diameter and internal minimum bend radius. Now, let's select this Lisp file and copy it with Ctrl+C. And we have to paste our copied Lisp at the place where AutoCAD uses the space for loading Lisp application. For that, we can just type upload or even easier AP and press enter. From here we can load or unload any applications which are either AutoCAD default programs or any we have brought here. Let's right-click somewhere here and paste. We have to provide administrative permissions for the changes we want to make, click continue and click yes. Then the Lisp file is pasted at this location. We have to select our Lisp file and click on this load. And we can see here CAD Magics plines.lsp successfully loaded. Now we can close this dialog box. Now, let's give the command plines. And press enter. We can see it's prompting us to enter the diameter of the pipe we are using. Type the diameter and press enter. Let's say we are using 2.5 meter diameter pipe at the moment. Type 2.5 and press enter. Now we can see, we have to provide the inner bend radius. Let's say we need to have inner radius 1.5 meter. Let's type 1.5 and press enter. Now let's click at the starting point of our sample alignment and go on clicking at every IP corners. And when we finish clicking at all points, press enter. Now we can see pipelines are formed besides the alignment line. And we can check its diameter and internal radius. And, if we don't have any alignment yet, we can also directly go on clicking along the desired route and curve bends are formed automatically with the provided inner radius. And while clicking, if we press shift while clicking at points, curve will not form. We can use this shift key if we do not wish to put curve at some points. Didn't you find it very useful? We just type command plines. Provide the diameter. Then provide the inner bend radius. And we are ready to create the pipelines to our desired alignment. And that's a wrap. You can simply click on the link shared below to download the Lisp file. And I still have hundreds of useful Lisp files at my backup. Since my channel is very new, do not hesitate to support, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions or need more clarification, drop them in the comments below, I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting!